Today we will find the sticks numbers. This is a trick to find how we can find the sticks number very easily without looking the lots of steps. Let's look. Sticks number is the what is actually mean by sticks number? It is the overall bonding in boranes. That means the how many bondings are in the boranes. It is the how many bonding in the boranes. We can find the how many bonding is the borane through the sticks numbers. So it is the 4-digit number. It is the 4-digit numbers. We have to note that this is the 4-digit numbers. So we needed to know what is S, what is Y, what is P, and what is X. S denoted as the total number of BHB bond, and T is the BBB bond, total number of the BBB bond. Y is the BB bond, how many BB bonds are present in the particular boranes, and X is the BH2 group. So before going to the exam or anything, you have to understand the what is actually S, P, Y, X. Then only you can easily understand what is actually the how many number of the boranes and which bond is actually present in the particular boranes. Okay. So S is the total number of the BHB bond, T is the BBB bond, and Y is the BB bond, and X is the BH2 group. For example, can we do an example? As we know, the very familiar borane is the B2H6, right? We all heard about this. It is very easy. So we can draw this structure without knowing its bonding or without knowing the sticks numbers, right? Because we know its structure. It is very small boranes that we know. So this is the B2H6, and when we look the structure, we can find the how many BHB group are here and how many BBB groups are here and BB groups are here and also the BH2 group. But when we get the B10, H14, like that very complex boranes, we can't draw these structures. It is very difficult to find through structure the bond number of the bonding. So for that, the sticks number is discovered. For that, the sticks number is discovered. By finding this sticks number, we can find the total number of the boranes, bonding in the boranes. Through this, we can find the BHB, how many numbers of BHB bonds are here, as well as the BB bonds are here, and BB and BH2 also. So for example, can we do the steps how we can find the sticks number? We can do from the B2H6 itself. First step, you have to write like this. And in second step, you needed to know how many B are here. 2. The hydrogen is here is the 6. So we needed to put this hydrogen into the B by BH2 group, by adding the BH2 group. When here is the B is in the 2 B are here. So we can add the 2 hydrogen also to write the BH2. So BH2 and remaining how many H are here? 4, right? 2 hydrogen, 2B and 4 hydrogen. Total number of the hydrogen is 6. So correct, right? You have to write like this BH2. Like you have to write like B and H into the combine, and then remaining hydrogen is needed to write the Z, okay? This is the P. This is denoted as the P and this is denoted as the Q. You have to denote the into the P and Q alphabets. Then what is the number of the P? 2, right? Q is the 4. And fifth step is the to find the ES. To find the number of the ES. That means the number of the BHB bonding. BHB bonding, right? To find the B. For S, we have a equation that is the Q by 2. What is the number of the Q? 4. 4 by 2. So 2 is the BHB bonding. It's not the only 2. There is some numbers also there. That means the number of the S is the 2 to Q. That means we can write there is the different possibility 2, 3 and here is the 4, right? So 4. This is the number of the possibilities that S has may be the number. That means this is the number of the possibility of the number of the BHB bonds. And sixth step is the find the T. T is the equation is the P minus Q. What is the P minus Q? 2 minus 4 is equal to minus 2. This is the T. And next step, you have to write this styx linearly and you have to write the table here. And then what is the number of the S? There is the 3 numbers, right? You have to write like this 2, 3, 4. And then what is the number of the T? T is the minus 2. Here is the minus 2. And then you have to increase the number minus 1 and 0. In Y, you have to always start with the 0, 1, 2 like that. There is no any rules for here. You have to start from upper part 0, 1, 2 like that. And X, you have to start from lower part 0, 1, 2. So there is the 3 possibilities of these 6 numbers. There is the maybe this, maybe this, maybe this. So we have only one 6 number. There is no 3 or 2, only 1. So there is the sum rule. That means if there is the negative, you have to eliminate these numbers. This is not 6 numbers. 6 number is always be positive. So here, this is the 6 number, right? So B286 number is the 2002. We needed to confirm whether this is the 2002, right? That we needed to write the structure of the B286. B286. So what is the 2? 2 is the S. What is the AS? It is the number of BHB bonding. There is the 2 BHB bond, right? 0 is the 3. It is the number of the BBB bond. Here is the BBB bond. No, 0. And it is the BB bond. Whether here is the BB bond? No. So this is also 0. And this is the X. That means BH2 group. There is the 2 BH group. This and this. So our finding is right. We can do one more also. That is the. We can also do one more question. B5 H11. So we need to include the hydrogen here. So total number of 5, right? Sorry. 5. And remaining hydrogen, how many hydrogen are here? How many hydrogen are here? No, B5, B4. I think there is a. How many hydrogen are here? We can do another question. This is something problem. We can do that question also. That is the, we can do another question. B for H12. So we have to write BH or is to 4. Remaining hydrogen you have to write 6, right? And then P is the 4 and Q is the 6. S is the Q by 2. That means 6 by 2, 3. 3 to Q. That means 3, 4, Y, 6, right? T is the C minus Q. That means 6, 4 minus 6 is the minus 2. Then you have to write this styx. What is the number of the years? 3, 4, 5, 6. and t minus 2, and then there is the increase of the numbers minus 1, 0, 1, right? And y 0, 1, 2, 3. X 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So we needed to eliminate these two. This is not styx number. Whether we have, there is the two possibilities of the whether 3, 1, 0, 3 or 4, 0, 1, 2. Which one is correct? You have to find, in this case, you have to find, look the yes. The greatest number of the years, that will be your 6 numbers. So the 6 number will be the 4012. For the B for H10, the 6 number is the 4012. You can do another question also. The question is the B10 H40. First, you have to write the BH 10 and H4. And then P is equal to 10, Q is equal to 4, S is equal to 4 by 2. That means 2, 2, 3, 4. This is the possibilities of the numbers. T is the 10 minus 4 means 6. And you have to write styx here. And then what is the number? 2, 3, 4, right? And T is the 6, 6, 5, 4, right? 6, 5, 4. Is there any problem? No. Okay. Y 0, 1, 2 and 0, 1, 2. So which is the 6th number? This is the 6th number. Next, I will give you the give you the. So you may doubt that whether in 6 for there is no increase in number. That means you have to move to the positive number. When there is a negative number, you will get minus 1. You have to move into the positive numbers, minus 0, 1. If there is a minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, like that. And when there is the high positive number, 6, 7 or like that, you have to decrease the numbers. 6, 5, 4, 3, like that. That is the T. Okay. And this is our 6th number of the B10 and H14. I will give you a homework. You have to write this into the in your home and let me know in the 6th number of this in the comment section. Okay, bye.